the way it has been built up. The reason why you go on and perhaps go on to a particular website or go on to Facebook is not to basically understand what Bizinga is all about, but the way you create excitement, the way you create the concept about how to basically look into it. I think that has been done very, very well done. Whether it's using trivia, whether it's using feedback, whether it's using engagement concepts, and then subsequently adding on to the whole milestones which was actually built up. Very, very well done. Extremely, extremely well done. You have to engage customers. And one of the most important factors I think the team has done is to understand the whole concept of how to engage customers and how to build up the strength of the medium itself. The strength of the medium, of course, is that most people come across there. And what is the Facebook, no, what is the Facebook slogan? Anybody? Anybody? Not the team. The team just what's on your mind. What's on your mind? What's on your mind? The whole thought is what's on your mind and how to exploit that what's on your mind. It's the DNA of the brand itself. And therefore using that and using it in a significant manner to create the whole the buzz around the brand has been done phenomenally well done. Let me tell you, this has been one of the I don't think even agencies understand the idiom of Facebook to this extent. Let me tell you this, the way the team has been able to understand it. So that I think was one of the biggest this thing as such. And besides that, of course, how the logo has been developed, what has been the rationale of the logo, how to make it customer friendly, how to make it more approachable, how to use colors, how to use logo, how to use typography. I mean, it's all brilliantly well done. I think it's been extremely well done. Most people would like to run away from facts. The fact of the matter is making facts so very close to customers in terms of the user and making it extremely user friendly has been the one of the highlights of the logo creation process itself. Besides that, they also went into product extension, the way the core of the product, the augmented part of the product, and the various other things that have been done, and also taking it into the next level in terms of product extensions, getting into companies, in fact, there is a huge opportunity where most companies, large companies like take for instance, your Reliance and various companies under the Tata Group, they themselves want to basically create information for their own people within the organization. There are large numbers, not that we are looking at small numbers. So extension possibilities can be immense, no doubt about that as such. But besides that, I think it's a very well-rounded campaign, whether they used ambient media, whether local trains have been used, how it has basically done, how even the fare card of say auto has been used with the watermark basically coming through and things like that. I think done with great finesse, great understanding, and how to basically promote the product as such. So therefore, to my mind, I think it's an excellent presentation, excellently well done. How to use touch points and how to exploit touch points using IMC, well demonstrated, including the fact that they went beyond the brief and actually developed a product in order to create the IMC campaign itself. I think excellently well done. And besides that, I think the fact that we presented it very well coordinated presentation. I think all these things put together has been a wonderful presentation. 3 cheers.